Hello everyone, today we're going to make Aubergine Caviar, which is an eggplant dip from the Mediterranean region of France. Now here I have a beautiful aubergine, or an eggplant as we call it in the United States. In ancient Rome, the Romans actually believed that eggplants were poisonous because they had a very bitter flavor back in the day. But they thought they were pretty, so they used to use them as decorative houseplants. And they are quite pretty with their lovely purple color. After centuries of cultivating the eggplant, they're much more palatable today, and they actually become a staple of the Mediterranean diet. So let me show you how to make this very beautiful, simple dip. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Come on. To get started, we're going to cut the eggplant in half lengthwise, and then we're going to brush the interior with some olive oil, and we're going to lay it cut side down on a baking sheet that I prepared with foil and a little shot of cooking spray. Now the reason I'm using foil is because we're going to roast this in the oven at 450 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. So you don't want to use parchment at this point because it will just scorch. You want to use foil. Here's the eggplant out of the oven. As you can see, they look a little charred because they were face down, but we're going to scoop all the flesh out now and put it into a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you could use a blender, or you can use a bowl and mash everything up with a fork. But the food processor is the easiest. That's what I'm going to use. Our other ingredients, we have 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to use the juice from half of a small lemon. I have some salt, pepper, and fresh thyme leaves in here. You can also use dried thyme if you'd rather. I have about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and about 1/2 to a teaspoon of fresh thyme leaves. You can adjust these measurements to your taste. We're going to use extra virgin olive oil, and optionally you can stir in a little bit of Dijon mustard at the end, which I am going to do. So let's go. Now we're going to add the other ingredients. So I chopped up those 2 garlic cloves into little manageable pieces. Going to add the salt, pepper, and the thyme. I'm going to squeeze in the juice from the half of the lemon. And I'm going to opt for stirring in the mustard. So a little bit of mustard in there. This is Dijon mustard. And I'm gonna mix this together. So this is what it's looking like. I'm going to scrape down the sides a little bit. And I'm going to start blending again, and this time I'm going to slowly incorporate the olive oil. So here we go. This is what it looks like. This is fresh out of the food processor, so it's still warm. You want to put this in the refrigerator for at least an hour. You want to serve this cold. And then when you are ready to serve it, just drizzle on a little bit more olive oil. And dig in with some nice crusty French bread. Yum. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you try to make aubergine caviar for yourself. It just sounds so elegant, doesn't it? Aubergine caviar sounds much better than eggplant dip. Let me know in the comments below if you do try it for yourself. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!